Do you remember these as a kid? Or maybe you're just learning. Either way, stick around to learn how. We want to start by grabbing the corner, folding it right over, like so. Give it a nice press down. Now we're going to grab our scissors. Give this a nice cut. Right on the fold. Boom, bada bing. Now get rid of those things. Give her an unfold. Now we have a line in the middle. Move it that way and fold it again. Right over. Make it a new triangle, creating that new line. As you can see, now we have that. We're going to fold it. Hot dog. Like so. Very nice. Now we're gonna unfold her, and yep, do another hot dog. And from there, now we have all our lines. Exactly what we need. Now we're going to fold the outside into the middle, each corner. It already has lined out there for you, so you know exactly where to fold. Two, three, and four. Now we've made those 4 folds, like so. It should be looking like this. Now let's fold our hot dog. Fold our hot dog again from the other side. And we're going to have it flipped over, so now we're on the back side. Our line should be still showing. Grab our edge and do the same thing on this side. It'll be smaller. So fold 1. Fold 2. Fold 3. And the last one. Fold 4. Now from here we'll fold it hot dog on both sides to get that nice bend in there. Now it should be looking like a hat, kind of. See how it closes like that Pac-Man? Just gotta take out the sides. They should just easily flip out like mine are here. Like so, very nice. And boom. Should be looking like one. Look at that. Now if you want, you can fold her back down and add some numbers. 8 numbers to be exact. Once you've done that, put her back out. And now grab your 4 favorite colors. Start with the blue for me. You guys can choose any color you want. You can design it a lot more if you want to. All depends on how much time you have. And boom, that's how it should look. If you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe. It'd be greatly appreciated. Have a good day.